Hello student, in this class we learn navigation. In this artwork there are some minute detail. If you want to zoom this, you have to use zoom tool, and zoom tool is available on the toolbar. By clicking on this you can activate this and click and drag outside to zoom, and if you want to zoom out, click and drag inside. So it's a animated zoom. When Adobe introduced GPU support in Adobe Illustrator, they update this feature. If you want to disable this, click on the edit and go to preferences and click on the journal. Then click on the performance, and in the performance area you can check the compatibility with the GPU. Uncheck the animated zoom and click on the OK button. When you click and drag, this tool create a window. When you release your mouse, this area will zoom in the center of this screen like this. Now I fit on a screen this artboard again. And the second method of zoom is by using keyboard shortcut. First point your mouse where you want to zoom and then press Ctrl+ key for zoom in and Ctrl- key to zoom out like this. And the third way of zoom in or zoom out by using mouse. First press Alt key, then scroll mouse wheel inside or outside for zoom in or zoom out like this. And the pointer position is very important. If you want to zoom this area, place your mouse here and then scroll like this. And if you want to zoom this area, place here and zoom like this. Zoom related shortcut is available in the view menu. When you click on this, zoom in or zoom out tool is available and the shortcut is also mentioned. And if you want to fit artboard on the monitor, press Ctrl-0 key. Now I zoom again by mouse wheel, so I press Alt key then scroll for zoom. Now if you want to pan this artboard, click on the hand tool and the shortcut of this tool is H, or if you want to use this temporarily, click on the space bar. Tool will be activated for temporarily like this, then pan like this. When you release spacebar, tool switch to current tool like this, and then press Ctrl-0 to fit on screen like this. If you want to present this artwork without toolbar or property bar, click on this button. By default, normal screen mode is selected. You can choose without menu bar or toolbar. When you click on this mode will apply. Click again on this button and choose full screen mode like this. And if you want to activate the presentation mode, first press escape key, then click on this and choose presentation mode like this. Press escape key to exit the presentation mode. You can change this screen mode by pressing keyboard shortcut F. When you press F, second screen mode will activate. When you press F again, full screen mode will apply like this. And if you press Shift F, presentation mode will apply like this.